Tesla Model S Plaid shatters yet another Porsche Taycan record. Say what you want about Tesla, but there's no denying the Model S Plaid is an incredible car. The brand's first ever tri-motor vehicle boasts a heady 1020 horsepower, 1,020 horsepower. Yeah, you're going to 60 in less than 2 seconds. It's a real experience. It'll whip you around. Everybody here did that launch or no?
Yeah, I did it. Yeah. We almost died, remember?
Well, easy. Maybe that was the time. Maybe that was you two launching.
Almost hit that poor old lady on the side of the road.
Maybe that was you two launching. I think you got the wrong guy. It could have been. Maybe it was Will driving. Will might be driving like that.
Yeah.
Who knows? So anyway, what happened here? What record did they beat? Oh, a track record. Is that it? Set a lap record for the fastest EV ever at Virginia International Raceway, covering the 4.1-mile distance in an astonishing 2 hours, 50 minutes, 4.5 seconds quicker than the previous record holder, which was a Porsche Taycan Turbo S. 4 seconds faster for a lap.
Wait, 2 hours?
Or
no,
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Did I say 2 hours? 2
Yeah.
minutes. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. I might have said 2 hours.
That's fast. So what are you going that whole time? How fast are you going?
I don't know if it says what the top speed was. Sometimes they do when you have a lap. Oh, go up. That might say it. Scroll up. No, it said the this one.
Image?
Yeah. Nope. Doesn't say. Can't see. I mean, we're talking about a race car track.
Yeah,
Here.
it's
So you
going
got to
fast.
assume you're
Just under 160?
there. You go. At one part of the video, the Tesla's electric motors propel the heavy EV to just under 160 miles per hour. The Plaid's lap time is very impressive, but then again, we know what the powerful Tesla can achieve. Well, it's important to note, looks like a relatively normal sedan, but it just definitely isn't. Doesn't have a normal price tag either. It's completely unnecessary. Acceleration. Completely fun, though.
Yeah, congrats.
Completely unnecessary, completely fun.